we waiting for a part 2? Oof. Do we really want it? Do we want it? I personally don't want it.
No, it's a no for me.
Yeah, no for me too. Hi guys, welcome back to Namaste Halyu. I'm Sneha, this is Tanaz, and this is
Rishti.
So today we are here because we are going to talk about Squid Game's popularity and what Indians think about it.
It can also spoil the fun for you. Spoil the plot also sometimes.
I have no joy left in my life. Spoil it.
A show this big does not suddenly become big, right? So it will have to be multiple factors. The first is though definitely the game setting. You know, the traditional Korean games that has been taken on.
Yeah.
Nova Watch Piasmida or like the Dalgona breaking. This is very intrinsic and instrumental to Korean culture as such.
I also feel like these childhood games have been played in many countries, Asian countries.
True.
Yeah.
True. I think that is what it made relatable to other countries.
Yeah.
I think the second factor would be the internet engagement.
Mm-hmm.
I think that Instagram Reels and TikTok is doing a great job in
Yeah.
promoting game music also.
Yeah. TikTok is a big marketing platform.
Exactly. And we do not have to talk about the influence that BTS has on the world.
Obviously.
A very good K content is coming out these days.
Right.
Like Parasite took everybody by storm.
Yes.
It's okay to not be
yeah.
okay is nominated for Emmy, I think.
Yeah, it is.
I think it is nominated.
Yeah.
It is. Oh.
Yeah.
And other reality shows also, like
Exactly.
Island. And
You know, the show gave exactly what the internet wanted at that time. Like the Netflix trends have been building up to this show.
Yeah.
If we go look from a completely aesthetic point of view also, every month or so somebody that looks like they belong in Slytherin goes viral because of their good looks, right?
Okay.
This time it was Kang Se-byung.
떨지 마 병신아. 그러다 걸리면 죽어.
형이 왜?
It's a super cast.
It is,
Exactly.
Yeah.
I cannot imagine anyone else.
Yeah, exactly. Like when you write, you actually imagine you have a picture.
Exactly.
So the writer thought it through. He told, right? He had it from the very beginning.
And the amalgamation of simplified story
Mhm.
with the reality of the world.
Exactly.
Like who would have thought that they would portray something as big as capitalism, the bad effects of capitalism through games.
Childhood games.
And
Yeah.
I think the games itself made it very exciting.
True.
Mhm.
Exactly.
And you would die. And also the death point of view, you can actually see it being portrayed as the South Korean society. You know how they are facing the debt problem.
Exactly.
Because the housing is so expensive in South Korea. So the young people are bound to get into debts.
Have you read that one, Strangers from Hell?
Yeah.
Strangers from Hell?
Yeah.
It is about a very bad Boshun situation.
Yes,
huh?
yes, yes,
Oh,
yes.
yeah.
And that Boshun situation, I googled the price and converted it into Indian rupees, and that is 25,000
Yes.
rupees.
It's like 2 BHK
It's
rent in
a
Delhi,
BHK
right?
in Delhi. It's really funny because a lot of things are lost in the translation.
Many.
The fact that before killing Ali, essentially, someone told him to call him Tom. That cannot be translated without knowing the significance of the term.
Why? Why?
Exactly. Why?
It also depends on the viewer.
Mhm.
If you're watching it for the cultural experience, you'll definitely watch it without this.
Exactly.
I mean, without the dub version.
Without the dub version.
This is where Bong Joon-ho's Oscar speech comes to place, right?
The one in subtitle.
The show just portrays all of it, like all the aspects of a society, be it philosophical, economic, political, social.
Because there is sexism in the show. When they try to pick the members, they are not picking the women members.
Yeah,
They are
yeah,
not picking
Someone who is a
Don't
Yeah,
pick someone
you
who's
know,
a-
Women are seen to be the weaker
Exactly.
ones.
And also the
Ableism.
Yes.
Ableism. Yes.
Mhm.
Because Ali, Sangu tells Ali to hide his fingers because
Exactly.
it will make him.
Seeing someone else.
Even though Ali was objectively one of the strongest.
Yeah.
Because did you see that? Did you see that? Holding a man up for a hour.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And then there's the ableism, then there's the sexism of it all, and there's a very good representation.
Brown representation.
Yeah.
Tasty representation, that's what we're talking about.
There was a tweet on this, right? Like how the introduction of Ali and the introduction of Pakistan in the show,
Exactly.
and like how Ali was represented as a submissive,
Servile person.
yeah,
when the only brown character is very submissive and survive, also a very good indicator of the social economy because there is the racism there also.
Yeah,
There is a
yeah.
xenophobia there also. Mion, na? What was her name?
Mignon. He definitely made us proud though. Like,
He did!
we're
Yes,
so
of
proud
course!
of you.
Yes!
Our last topic is: are we waiting for a part 2? Oof. Do we really want it? Do we want it? I personally don't want it.
No, it's a no for me.
Yeah, no for me too.
Exactly, because these kind of things, if you like, see, we are at a good place now.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
don't want to take the risk of, there's something
Spoiling the.
in Assamese we have this thing called Huwa Bharat Kerosene Tepilwa. So we don't want that.
Yeah.
But not on cold kerosene and
yeah.
cooked rice.
So I think Squid Game is just great as it is.
However,
Yeah.
I want some insight into the foundation of the game of the front man story, because the front man won in 2015 and then he was in his Goshiwar for some time.
Yeah.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So I want some insight, and I honestly don't think Vihajun has died.
Yeah, me too.
I honestly don't think.
I doubt he
Real.
died.
I-
Yeah,
Yeah.
I did not feel real
Because
Not
one
really.
bullet and he fell.
yeah.
He might have, fallen
And
into the
maybe
water.
Cliff or something.
Yeah. Yeah, somehow I don't know. It's
We
just
had so hot, the bullet about to melt. What are you talking about?
so.
Right.
Also, I saw it in IG that the writer actually, though he has no intention to make a part 2, but if he does, he would focus on the front man.
Yeah, he should. He should.
He said that?
Yeah.
I don't know, yeah. People just keep making IG
Yeah.
posts. I really know. I just came across it.
So I don't think we need a sequel. However, we would like a frontman spin-off
Yeah,
Or,
that would be really.
or a
interesting.
001
I
spin-off.
want to know Samu's story.
I also definitely want to, because and Samu is a very good character study, because even if you take away the moral choices he made,
Yeah.
the person he did go to Seoul, he did make a good career out of
Yeah.
himself. He was Sangwon
And
Dok's
he was
He
go-to.
climbed the ladder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this just shows that even if you do climb the ladder,
You fall back again.
yeah, because if you don't have something to lean back on, because
Yeah,
this is
yeah.
where
Because he was not from an economic
Exactly.
he's
Yeah.
not from generational wealth.
Yeah.
He's not from wealth of ages. So if he was a second generation Chaebol maybe,
yeah.
then he wouldn't.
He
Then
wouldn't be in that. Yeah.
Exactly.
Right.
So I want to know what made him go into that.
Mm.
And he seems objectively smart person.
Yeah.
So
He's smart.
objectively
He's
smart
very
people don't fall into
smart.
depth.
I just feel like he made some wrong decisions that got him to
Exactly.
that.
So
We talked a lot about Squid Game because the show is actually great.
it is.
It is.
And please let us know in the comments below what you guys think. And if you want us to talk about more K-dramas or K-pop or K-hip-hop, whatever it is, yeah, we will be back. Let us know. We will be back. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your love and support. Bye. Bye. Also,